Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. From demolition to the final touches, we've got every detail covered. Thinking about remodeling a standard 5x8 bathroom in the DMV area in 2025? You're probably asking yourself, what's this really going to cost me? Well, in today's video, we're breaking it all down, line by line, so you know exactly where your money's going. Whether you're just starting to dream or already deep into planning, this guide will help you budget smart, avoid surprises, and make confident decisions. Key phases of a bathroom remodel: 5 feet by 8 feet. Section 1, planning and design. Before any demo happens, good planning is essential. This is where you set your goals. Tweak the layout, pick your materials, and figure out if you'll need permits. Timeline, 2 to 4 weeks. Cost range, $1,500 to $3,000, especially if you're hiring a designer or architect. Key tasks: floor plans and elevations for layout changes. Permit applications, if required. Solid planning up front equals fewer headaches later. Section 2, labor, $16,000 to $26,000. Labor usually takes the biggest bite, around 60 to 70% of your total budget. Let's break it down. Demolition, $2,000 to $3,500. Framing and blocking, $1,500 to $3,000. Plumbing, $2,000 to $4,500. Electrical, $1,500 to $2,500. Drywall and cement board, $1,800 to $2,800. Tile installation, $4,500 to $6,500. Painting and finishing, $900 to $1,800. Waterproofing, $700 to $1,200. This is the muscle of your remodel and where experience matters most. Section 3, construction materials, $3,200 to $4,800. These are the behind-the-scenes essentials. Drywall and backer board, $700 to $900. Waterproofing system, $400 to $800, like RedGuard or Schluter, Curdy. Plumbing rough-in materials, $1,200 to $2,600. Electrical materials, $500 to $900. Insulation, $300 to $900. Subfloor repair, if needed, $200 to $400. Don't skimp here. These materials make your bathroom last. Section 4, finishing materials, $5,000 to $12,000. Bathtub or shower, $1,000 to $3,500. Glass doors, $700 to $1,800. Toilet, $300 to $600. Vanity and countertop, $800 to $2,000. Mirror and medicine cabinet, $150 to $400. Fixtures, faucets, shower, $500 to $1,200. Tile, floor plus walls, $1,500 to $3,000. Lighting fixtures, $200 to $600. Doors and trim, $400 to $800. Paint and accessories, $200 to $400. Choose wisely. This is what you'll see and use every day. Section 5, total estimated cost, 2025. Category, labor, low estimate, $16,000. $18,000. High estimate, $26,000. Construction materials, low estimate, $3,200. Mid estimate, $3,800. High estimate, $4,800. Finishing materials, low estimate, $5,000. Mid estimate, $7,500. High estimate, $12,000. Total project cost, low estimate, $24,200. Mid estimate, $29,000. High estimate, $42,800. Remodeling a 5x8 bathroom in the DMV isn't cheap. but it's one of the best investments you can make in your home. Plan smart. Choose durable, stylish materials. Work with experienced contractors who understand your local market. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more renovation tips and cost guides right here on the channel.